Vital Scan is one of the most powerful features in your AO scan. It gives you a real-time energetic snapshot of your body by scanning hundreds of markers like vitamins, minerals, hormones, organs, toxins, and more. It's quick, non-invasive, and incredibly insightful. You'll see where your body is in balance and where it may need some support. Think of it as your energetic checkup. It helps you stay in tune with what your body needs most. Let's take a look at how it works. When you open Vitals, you'll see a list of scan categories, and by default, they're all selected. This includes food sensitivities, blood, chakras, meridians, nutrition, digestion, toxicities, and more. For a full scan, just leave everything checked. If you only want to focus on one area, like digestion or blood, tap Deselect All, then check only the section you want to scan. Next, select your scan target and start the scan. The scan takes a few minutes to analyze each section. Once it's finished, optimize your results and check your reports. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see two report types, Classic and Enhanced. Classic shows a simplified view of what's in range or out of range. Enhanced gives you a deeper look. You'll see numbers from 1 to 9, showing your body's energetic balance before and after optimization. 5 is balanced. 4 to 6 is considered normal. 1 to 3 means low function, underperforming or chronic frequencies. 7 to 9 indicates high function, inflammatory, acute or overperforming frequencies. It may seem like a lot at first, but it gets easier to understand over time. These reports give you clear insight into what your body is asking for and where you may want to focus your wellness efforts. If you're new to Vitals, we recommend running Vitals once or even twice a day. This helps the system learn your unique energetic patterns. After the first week, once a week is usually enough. And that's Vitals, a simple scan that gives you a deeper understanding to your health and energy.